severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stafford County in northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, northeastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 12:15 p.m. At 11:30 a.m.
Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm
extending from near Fredericksburg to near Massaponax to Milford, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per
northeastern
hour.
Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 12:15 p.m.
Impact
At 11:30 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fredericksburg to near Massaponax to Milford, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, King George, Dahlgren, Fairview Beach, Potomac Creek, Nantucket Creek, Aquia Creek, Port Royal, Falmouth, Pascagoula, Stones Corner, Potomac Beach, Woodinville, Nip, White Oak, Sealston, Jersey, Bertheville, Doak, and Leland. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland and central and northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland and central and northern Virginia.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Georgia County, central Maryland, northwestern Charles County, southern Maryland, central Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia until 12:34.
Southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, central Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia,
60 miles per hour.
County in northern Virginia.
Source, radar will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Washington, D.C.
As well as
Fredericksburg, moving east at 35 miles per
roadways
hour.
may become blocked by downed trees.
60 miles per hour.
Localized power outages are possible.
Radar indicated.
Unsecured light objects
Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and
Fort Hunt, Fort Belvoir, Fort Bridge, Quantico, Aquia Creek, Port Tobacco River
are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Waldorf, Gale,
Limited data.
southern and central Maryland, and northern
Lake
Virginia.
Ridge, Mont-
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Lake Ridge, Montclair, Lorton, Hyba Valley, Newington, Friendly, Triangle, and Dumfries. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern and central Maryland and northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern and central Maryland and northern Virginia.
King George, Orange, Prince William, Spotsylvania, Stafford, and Westmoreland.
Yes.
The following-
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, Montgomery County in central Maryland, northwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, southeastern Loudon County in northern Virginia, Fairfax in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, the City of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the City of Alexandria in northern Virginia until 12:30 p.m. At 11:46 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lansdowne to near Chantilly to near Lake Ridge, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage will cause moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. Light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Germantown, Centerville, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Reston, Annandale, Clinton, Homey, Springfield, College Park, South Riding, Fort Washington, Herndon, Greenbelt, Fairfax, Langley Park, and Beltsville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for District of Columbia, Central Maryland, and Northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for District of Columbia, Central Maryland, and Northern Virginia. This is
So, citizens?
thunderstorm warning for East Central Chesterfield County, Northwestern King and Queen County, Northwestern Charles City County, Northwestern Newcastle County, Southeastern Henrico County, Southeastern Hanover County, King William County, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:49 a.m. Severe thunderstorm was located near Island Springs, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, Richmond International Airport reported a 58 miles per hour wind gust.
Louisville, Bentley, East Highland Park, Newtown, EAS, Bottoms.
Locations intended include Richmond, King William, Highland Springs,
North Central and East Central Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for Central, North Central, and East Central Virginia.
severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the
Field Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for Central, North Central, and East Central Virginia.
East Central Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for South Central Montgomery County in Central Maryland, North Central Fairfax County in Northern Virginia until 12:15 p.m. At 11:54 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Reston, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for South Central Montgomery County and Central Maryland, North Central Fairfax County.
Siding and windows may occur.
Weather alert.
Mobile homes
Weather
may be
alert.
damaged or destroyed.
11:54 a.m. A
Tree
severe
damage is
thunderstorm
likely.
capable of producing a
The
tornado was located over Reston,
Great
moving
falls
northeast at
around
40 miles per hour.
Potomac and North Potomac around 12:15
Source,
p.m.
radar indicated
Other
location.
locations impacted by this
Impact,
tornadic
photos in the
thunderstorm
direct path
include
of the
Bradley
tornado
Farm.
touchdown. Flying
Take
debris
cover
will be
now. Move to a
Is
basement
trading
floor
up
and interior room on the lowest
just
floor
this
of a sturdy
and
building.
windows may occur.
Avoid windows.
Mobile homes may be
If you
damaged
are
or
outdoors,
destroyed.
in a mobile home
Tree damage
or
is
in a
likely.
vehicle, move to the closest
Dangerous
substantial
storm will be
shelter
near.
and protect
Great
yourself
falls
from
around
flying debris.
12:05 p.m. Potomac and North Potomac around 12:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bradley Farms. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid wind
Musk's chaotic bid.
or outdoors.
Okay.
Home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for south central Montgomery County and central Maryland.
In northern Virginia at 11:54, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornadoes was located over western
Severe thunderstorm warning.
hour.
That's a fail. Nice.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Carroll County in north central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, northwestern Montgomery County in central Maryland,
24/7.
in north central Maryland until 12:45 p.m.
Good afternoon, I'm
Line extending from near Walkersville to near Ballinger Creek to near Poolsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Frederick, Westminster, Damascus, Thurmont, Poolsville, Harry Grove Stadium, Montgomery Village, Eldersburg, Ballinger Creek, Mount Airy, Tanatown, Walkersville, Braddock Heights, New Market, Green Valley, Clover Hill, Discovery Spring Garden, Boyds and Lingano or Bartonsville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for central and north central Maryland and northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for central and north central Maryland and northern Virginia. The tornado warning for